Nigga, Easter this year happened just one day after April's full moon, Saturday, April 16th, which is the first full moon to occur after the ancestral spring equinox, March 21st, the new year, right? And is therefore known in the Christian calendar as the Paschal full moon. To make a long story short, Easter always occurs on the first Sunday after the new year, after the Paschal full moon. So after the new year, that full moon that comes online, right, is when Jesus resurrected from the dead of the tombs. Look at this nigga Hanuman, what they do in India or in Hindus mythology, right? Hanuman Jannam is an important festival of the Hindus. Hanuman Jah will be celebrated on April 16th. What a coincidence. 2022. Hanuman Janmasab is also the biggest celebrated festival in India. Chaos in the blood. Lord Hanuman is an ardent devotee of Lord Rama and is widely known for his unflinching devotion to Rama. Oh, God damn, the hero's journey, boy. So now y'all got to get off that religious shit because we're talking about science. We're talking about codes. So now, as you can see, Jesus right here is pointing at the heart. He's opening up his heart, right? Same thing with Hanuman. He's opening up his heart, right? Showing Shiva and Parvati, right? So when you are in the space of, of showing your heart or, being one with yourself and being, and moving with your heart, right? You're being Christ-like, right? This is just a code. Jesus Christ is just a code, right? The Christ-like thinking, right? Christ consciousness, you feel me? The Christ mind, the Christ head, the halo, you feel me? Chaos in the blood. That's you, nigga. You're the worker. You're the devotee to your higher self. You're trying to climb up the ladder to get to your higher mind, to your higher way of thinking. You feel me? So here we go again. Jesus pointing at his heart, right, to the halo, moving up the chakra ladder, moving up from the heart chakra all the way to your higher mind. You feel me? Same thing with Hanuman right here. Even though he's doing the sign, it's still the same symbol, pointing up to the cross head, to the king, the kingdom, right? The dome. You're alive in being. You're in your place where you can receive channels from your higher self and be in the Christ-like thinking. You feel me?